Hi guys, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I'm here to bring you all the information you need for your Dollar General Saturday savings. These are going to be your 5 off 25 deals. But at the end of the video, we do have some coupon matchups for the upcoming clearance event. So please make sure you watch to the end. Up first, you're going to grab your Hefty bags, your Clorox wipes, your Dawn, your Lysol, and the Pinoline for $14.15. Be sure that you scan these items with your app to make sure they are attaching to the coupons. For $7, we have an air care deal. You're going to get your oil refills, that's the 5 count, your advanced warmer, and the essential mist. And that is the starter kit on that one. We have Tide packs or pods, Lysol laundry sanitizer, and Downy fabric spray in calming lavender for $13.65. For this one, we have your car clips. That's the 2-pack, your fabric care spray. You have the advanced warmer and the 5 count of the oil refill for $6.40. Now we're going to grab the Gain Flings, the Lysol sanitizer, and the Snuggle sheets for $13.45. For $11, you're going to get your Arm & Hammer, your Lysol, your Snuggle, and your Finish Powerball tabs. We're going to grab an advanced warmer, a Colgate toothbrush. We're going to get the Lysol Air, the Lysol laundry sanitizer, the car clip, and the small travel size of the Tylenol for $5.80. On this one, you're going to grab your Gain Flings and your Gain Softener and pay just $13.90. For this deal, you're going to grab your large Gain and your Gain beads for $13.90. Our next deal is for cats. You're going to get your 2 different cat foods that you see there, the Fresh Step. You're also going to get a car clip and the Febreze fabric for $12.55. For our dog deal, you're going to get your puppy chow and your dog chow, the high protein, and a busy bone for $17.45. This grocery deal, you're going to get 4 body armor, 2 of the Mountain Dew. You're also going to get your Munchies and your Pepsi. You're going to get 3 of those for $11.95. On this one, you're going to get 2 of your Cocoa Puffs or whatever other cereal attaches. You're going to get your burritos, your body armor, your Cheetos mac and cheese, and also the Rice Krispie treats and pay $15. For this one, you're going to get your Mountain Dew. You're going to get 2 of the Dr. Pepper 12 packs and a Munchies for $14.95. You're going to grab 2 of the Cheetos macaroni and cheese. You're going to get 3 Pepsis, 4 body armor, 2 of the Mountain Dew, plus you're going to get your Munchies and the Monterey burritos. And that will be $12.95. For $13.05, you're going to get your Loves, your 2 Pampers wipes, the Aveeno wash, and the fabric spray. Again, that's $13.05. On this deal, for $2.95, you're going to get your advanced warmer, your Colgate, you're going to get the oil refills, the car clips, the 2-pack of the Colgate Plus toothbrushes, and that travel size of the Tylenol. Again, that's $2.95. You're going to get 2 packs of Pampers and 4 of the Pampers wipes for just $17.10. Up next, we have 2 of the Tone Body Wash, the Degree Spray. You're also going to get the L'Oreal and the Sally Hansen for $11.80. On this deal, you're going to get 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoo, 2 of the Fructis conditioner, 2 Dial hand soaps. You're also going to get your Colgate toothbrush and the toothpaste plus the Tylenol. And this one has an instant savings, so that will come out to $10.40. On this one, you're going to get a Garnier shampoo and conditioner. You're going to get the Old Spice, the Degree, and the Schick razor for $11.25. Our next deal is $7.47. You're going to get your Skintimate razor, your Nivea lotion, your Always liners, your CoverGirl eyeliner, and the CoverGirl foundation. And that should come out to $7.47. The CoverGirl is buy one, get one 50% off. Now for our clearance matchups. The price that you see in the red is the price that the item is right now. The price that you see in the blue is the price after the 50% off at clearance plus the coupon being taken off of that. So the $1.58 is what you would pay if you were to use these coupons Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. So I'm going to let these coupons play through, and if you have any questions, definitely please reach out to us. You can leave us a comment on this video, but I'll be back in a moment. So as we wrap up these clearance coupon matchups, remember that we will have our cheat sheet out for you as ASAP. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and family so that they can save too. Leave me a comment if you have any questions or even just to say hi. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram. We're still working out the kinks with our Instagram, and we're also on Telegram. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. We'll be back soon. Bye.